Designed by a state-of-the-art engineering department. Driven by an innovative and experienced workforce. Built with the highest quality materials, with only one goal: to make you more productive. Cemen Tech is a 100% employee-owned company with nearly 40 years of experience in the concrete industry. Thousands of customers in over 50 countries worldwide know the benefits of Cemen Tech concrete plant, making Cemen Tech the #1 manufacturer of volumetric concrete mixers in the world. Cemen Tech manufactures both mobile and static plants. Mobile units can be truck or trailer mounted and can be mounted either on your existing truck or a new or used chassis. All Cemen Tech concrete mixers are technologically advanced and highly accurate, and yet are simple to operate and maintain, giving you concrete to your precise specifications when and where you need it. Our volumetric system enables you to easily control the amount and type of concrete produced, eliminating waste and giving your company a fast and reliable tool to meet your customers' needs and increases. The standard Cemen Tech concrete dispenser is designed to carry all of the materials necessary to produce concrete. Sand and stone are stored in a divided bin. Cement powder is stored in a watertight compartment located at the rear of the unit. And the water and any required admixtures are carried in the polypropylene tanks at the front and sides of the unit. During the production of concrete, the aggregates, sand, and stone are carried on a vanner edge conveyor belt to the mix auger. The amount of sand and stone added to the mix design is precisely controlled by gate settings at the back of the aggregate bins. An exact amount of cement is metered to the mix section, where it is thoroughly mixed with other materials by the Cemen Tech high shear mix auger. The control of specific mix designs and additives is conveniently located at the operator station near the mix section. The mix section includes a reversible high shear mix auger equipped with replaceable Nyhard wear blades. The mix section allows for easy placement of concrete, utilizing a power swivel to give the operator the ability to place concrete over a wide area. By adding the 360-degree swivel chute option, the operator can precisely place the concrete without having to move the mixer. The Cemen Tech concrete mixer can mix all of today's concrete mix designs, including slurry, flowable fill, latex, grout, gunite, and shotcrete, in addition to standard and high-strength concrete. By adding some of the available options to the Cemen Tech mixer, additional specialty concretes can be produced as well. A few of the many options available are fiber feeder, a fiber-reinforced concrete using pre-cut polyethylene fibers; fiber chopper, for fiber-reinforced concrete using spooled AR glass fibers; color systems, to produce a wide variety of tinted and precisely colored concretes using either dry or liquid colors; dry cast mix system, for low or no slump concrete mixes; a second cement bin for multiple cement types or fly ash mixes. Other options are available to help support your operations, such as the AccuPrinter system, which stores individual mix designs and customer information. This system prints tickets with the exact amount of metered concrete in either the imperial or metric system. The ticket includes the weight of cement, sand and stone consumed, and amount of water used during each separate pour. The easy operation and simple maintenance required by the mixers gives you the opportunity to increase your production to meet the demands of projects large or small. You can control your own production, delivery time, and quality. The Cemen Tech system is environmentally friendly, produces little or no waste. Cleanup is quick and simple. You too can benefit from the advantages of this on-demand concrete production system. Mix is needed and where needed. No hot loads. No loss of strength because of hydration that took place in the truck. No tempering with water is required. Instantaneous mix design changes. Low slump mixes are easily produced. Metered delivery for retail concrete delivery. No scales requiring constant calibration. Ideal for job site and remote applications. Quick setup time for standard equipment. The most versatile concrete production system available. At Cemen Tech, we are also your one-source supplier for products like bulk cement silos and concrete delivery trailers to complement your Cemen Tech volumetric mixer and to make you more productive. We also offer trailer drum mixers for use in small home projects and in combination with concrete plants for rental and hardware stores. Cemen Tech offers a highly trained, experienced service center, a full-service parts department shipping worldwide daily, and a large network of dealers and qualified professionals who are ready to give you the support, service, and training you need. You can trust in the reliability of Cemen Tech to satisfy all your needs no matter where you are. The United States military has chosen Cemen Tech as their exclusive supplier of concrete mixers year after year. They demand the quality that only Cemen Tech can provide. You too can enjoy the benefits of the most trouble-free and highest quality volumetric mixer in the world by calling any of our talented staff today. Cemen Tech, quality worth talking about.